In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from QuickBooks to Xero. We'll use a dedicated migration service called Data Switcher to move your accounting information safely from QuickBooks Online into Xero. Before you begin, make sure you have administrator access to both your QuickBooks company and your Xero organization, and that no one is posting new transactions during the migration window. It's also a good idea to download a backup or at least export key reports like a trial balance, profit and loss, and an open invoices list so you can validate results later. Open your browser and go to the Data Switcher website. You can search for Data Switcher if you don't have the address handy. On their site, look for the Migration Request option. This opens a short wizard that guides you through the move. When asked for your current system, choose QuickBooks Online. Selecting the correct source tells Data Switcher how to connect and what data structures to expect. If you manage multiple QuickBooks companies, double-check you're signed into the right one before you proceed. You may be prompted to authorize a secure connection, grant access so the tool can read your data for migration. Next, set your future system to Xero. Pick the Xero organization that will receive the data. If you're new to Xero, create the organization first in Xero so it's ready to receive transactions, contacts, and your chart of accounts. As with QuickBooks, you may need to log in and approve access so Data Switcher can write the data into Xero. Continue by selecting Next and completing the confirmation. Carefully review the summary, company names, file or organization IDs, the conversion date range, currency settings, and any options offered for how to handle charts of accounts, tax codes, or open balances. Use this moment to align start dates between systems and ensure your financial year settings match. Confirm that you understand what will and won't be migrated, then submit the request. From here, Data Switcher handles the heavy lifting. Keep an eye on any on-screen progress or email notifications. Avoid changing data in QuickBooks or Xero until the migration finishes. Once you're notified it's complete, validate by comparing your key reports between systems and spot-checking a few invoices, bills, and bank balances. That's it. By going to Data Switcher, opening a migration request, selecting QuickBooks Online as your source and Xero as your destination, and confirming the details, you've completed a clean, auditable move. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new Xero setup.